Check this out. We have a said cat down here that has cotton mouth. We have legitly fill this up with water like so. See, the cat is drinking it. This cat has what you call cotton mouth. Drinking out of the smallest container from a water bottle, for God's sake.
Oh, okay. Now we all
See,
have our own life.
as you can tell, the cat is still drinking water. Kitty cat has cotton mouth. I'm sorry, YouTube, but this is too funny. You just think about it. Getting a cat high and the damn cat has cotton mouth. First off, we've seen the kitty cat started drinking off of a off of a fucking Kool-Aid bottle, wherever that went. But keep out for now. And we're gonna call it Cottonmouth Kitty. Call out.